Conditional. Conditional, yeah. Conditional. It's Kenny's cooking show, and not yours, you mother.
Guys, today is Chuseok, and it's a very special episode because it's Chuseok. Did I say it's Chuseok? Yeah, I did.
It's Kenny's cooking show, and it's Chuseok. Oh, and it's Chuseok. Kenny's cooking show, and I'm cinched like Barbie.
Let's start!
Kenny's cooking show, and I'm a winner. Never mind.
Today we are making egg tarts. The Hong Kong kind or the Portuguese kind, I don't know. But it's gonna be one of the versions.
Kenny's cooking show. And it's a different day. I'm not wearing the same outfit. This is just black and white, so it just looks the same, but it's not the same. Kenny's cooking show. And I got a chef hat. Okay. Okay. Thank you. Kenny's cooking show. It is Christmas edition. Hi. Yeah, I bring in the L's. What can I say? What can I say? No. 주세요.
초대해 주셔서 감사합니다.
yeah.
여러분 안녕하세요. 1Verse의 네텐입니다. So I've been under the table the entire time.
Kenny's cooking show, and it's a couples edition. Where's my lucky? What? Look! Kenny's cooking show, and I'm thirsty. Kenny cooking show, and it's 한국 학식 edition. Yeah. Kenny's cooking show. And last week I went to a buffet that's an Indian buffet for South Indian food, and then I enjoyed it so much. So today we're doing Indian food. And we also have a guest. It's Kenny's cooking show. And when life gives you lemons, you ask my kids to do you last minute. Yeah!